Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, October 11th, 2021. Over the weekend, we looked at the month and the week ahead. Let's take a look at today, get close to what's going on here. The Astro Excel trend has been pretty good. We made a high. We were a little bit slightly out of phase here. The high came a couple hours late. Uh, we continued down then from there. Still a couple hours out of phase. We made low. We traded up into this key pivot point, and then we rotate back down. Now we've got downward pressure all day today. The blue line makes three bottom out blips at about 9:30, 10, and then about 10 to 11, and then it peaks at 11:54, and then both lines are down in sync until after 1800 this evening. On the Vedic, we've got a cluster of timing windows. You can see we made low last night, right after the start of trading, about an hour and a half in. We traded up into the next window. We made high here, right in front of the timing indicator of the green block on the A1. And then we traded down into this window and made a low right here at the 348 bar, 345, 348. So now we've got a white window here coming in on the B1. The rainbow and pH timers in that window are what I have marked here by the vertical line. So we're 746 and 758. So that area there is the first critical timing indication. Then we have one at 907. And then we have a pair again here at 1047 and 1059. And then there's another one at the end of the segment at 1133 where that window completes and we go to these three red windows. So that's an important point in time there where we change the segment colors there. And that syncs up then with the downtrend at about that 1130 time point. So those are key timers for today. Again, these blue vertical lines were either pH or rainbow cluster points. Right now we're trading inside of this narrow range, so depending on which way we break out will dictate what happens when we hit this first timing zone at the beginning of that white debilitation window. So that's it for Monday. We'll be back again tomorrow. We'll follow up and see what the activity looks like for Tuesday.